If you're new here, hi, I'm Kaz, and hi if you're not new here as well. Thank you for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, I have loved fashion for many years, since I was a teenager, and I have loved designer bags for well over 30 years, and I have far too many of them. This evening I have a mini haul from Oroton, who are an Australian company. One of these items is going to be a giveaway to celebrate reaching 5,000 subscribers. I'll post the prize to anywhere in the world. I'll pay for postage, and also I'll reimburse you if you have to pay any customs duties, whatever. If you're in the US, I'll pay the 10% tariff up front so you don't have to pay it. Keep watching until the end of the video to find out what the prize is going to be and how you can enter the draw. I'll list the links for each item below. 2 of them are on sale at the Oroton outlet and the other one is on oroton.com. Both sites at the moment are shipping overseas. The shipping costs obviously will depend on your location. However, just a bit of a warning, you do have to pay return costs, so if you are buying from, the websites, do make sure that it's something you really want, because sending things back to Australia, I think, is becoming quite expensive. I know sending stuff from here overseas is crazy. Anyway, I digress. Let's get on to the first item, which is this one. Very neatly wrapped. Do my best to demolish it. Oops. Okay. I need the scissors. Okay. So the first item is the Harvey Signature Duet sunglasses case in black, and it costs $77.40, and that's the equivalent of US $55.05, I think. Now there's an extra 20% off that price at the moment, and if you buy 2 or more items there's 25% off, so they seriously are bargains. This is just, I love it, I really do. Opens like that, and it has the divider in the middle. Oops, take the little Oroton care card out, so you can move it sort of either way depending on which pair of glasses is, needs more room. Okay, so I just thought it'd be better than carrying 2 cases around like that. I'm not really the sort of person that can just throw my sunnies in my bag, or I don't even like soft cases for sunnies. I'm bothered about them getting squashed or scratched or... Anyway, there's 1 pair of sunnies in there, and I thought the other side would be really good for my reading glasses, which I'm always forgetting. So that's them there. So they go in the other side. Plenty of room in there. Et voila. I don't know if it takes up necessarily less space than these 2, but it's neater. I'll leave those in there for now. So that's the first item, and as I said, I'll link it down below. They're not affiliate links. I don't earn anything from you clicking on the link at all. Now this next one, this was bought from the Oroton website, not the outlet one. So it's a full-priced item, and I just absolutely fell in love with these. If I can find the tape. God, I'm so hopeless at doing things seriously. Excuse the rustle. Right, here we go. A nice little box. Their things do come really nicely presented, so if you wanted a gift for somebody, it's, you don't really need gift wrapping, it's all there. Okay, so in here you get a little dust bag, and these are the earrings, which I have to bring fairly close to the camera to see if it'll focus. Really cute. I'll put a photo of them actually up there because it is a bit difficult to see them, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Now these were 129 Australian dollars or $91.75 US. I think they're really stunning and worth every cent of the price. I seem to have trouble getting my words out this evening. I'm having one of those very menopausal days. Oh God, you know how it is. Okay, now the last item, which is from the outlet, is the Dorit Nubuck Hobo, which is the largest hobo bag they do. The colour's stone, which is a really versatile colour, and it's crafted from supple Nubuck leather with smooth leather trims and a softly structured silhouette. Okay, so as you can see, it's a fairly large box. It's not a small bag. And this is it. Right. I'll put that down over there. What was I going to say? Now, although it's a large bag, it weighs approximately 0.62 kilos, which, oh, how much is that? It's a pound and a bit. I'm not very good at converting kilos to pounds, but I mean, for the size of it, it's not a heavy bag. It's a hobo bag, so it's only really to be worn on the shoulder. So, as you can see, I haven't opened this before. It's straight out of the box. Okay, so it's a dust bag. And then it's covered in tissue paper. Which, oops. I'll put it, sorry, I've got a mountain of rustling, very noisy tissue paper there. Okay, take that out the middle. And look, I won't take that off the handle at the moment, handle strap. But that is it. And it is, oh, the Nubuck is just, wow. It is incredibly soft. It's that lovely hobo style. It's like the black one that I unboxed quite a while ago. I'll put that video up there actually in case you haven't seen it. The zip is great. Just because some zips are such a pain. Right, okay, I'll take some of the stuffing out. I won't take all of it out at the moment. But suffice to say, it has, I'm going to show you this, it's awkward, isn't it? There's one slip pocket here, it's quite large, and there's also a zip pocket, which I think you can see. Oops, just let me open it a bit. Zip pocket across here. Okay, now the description says that there's a top zip and a cotton twill lined interior with zip and foam pockets. So it's got the zipped interior one, which I was showing you just then, and the slip pocket, and it says it fits an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which means nothing to me because I've never had an iPhone, but I know they are very popular. And that is it. I mean, this is on probably the shortest adjustment, and you can adjust it quite a long way down. So this sort of sits, oops, I have to move the chair out of the way. I'll be back. Okay, so, oh goodness me, I'm being attacked by a palm tree here. Okay, so this is it on the shoulder, and it sits really, really well. And you can, let's see where the holes come down to. Okay, so there's a hole just here. So you can make it about, what's that, about 3 inches longer each side. So, I mean, at the moment there's plenty of room under the arm anyway, but oh goodness, this is so soft. And it's just gorgeous. Really lovely. There's 2 sort of leather strips along the bottom, you know, sort of feet. It's got brass hardware, and I love it. It's a stunning bag. So the measurements, the width across here is 13 centimetres or just over 5 inches. The width from side to side here is 32 centimetres or 12 3/4 inches. The height, which is top of the strap to the bottom of the bag, is 56 centimetres or 22 inches. And the opening width, which I assume is the distance that the zip opens, is 15 inches or 38 centimetres. It's certainly a really easy bag to get into. And I think that is it. I don't know any other measurements I can give you. Whoops. Right, that's the smooth leather that the handle was made from. And it's a great bag. I mean, I've used the black one that I have so much. It's just brilliant. It's a great combination between a tote and a shoulder bag. If you're going out shopping or something and you want, you want a tote, but you want to wear it on your shoulder so your hand's free, this is absolutely brilliant. And this is also the prize for the 5k giveaway. And you can enter the giveaway by subscribing to this channel if you haven't already, and if you have already, thank you. Do please hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is. I try to do it sort of Friday, sometimes it's Saturday, it depends what happens with him indoors with work and me with sort of medical appointments, and all that stuff that I won't go into, but yeah, do please hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is published. And all you have to do is leave a comment below, include 5k giveaway in the comment, or you can just leave 5k giveaway, and you'll be entered into the draw, and I'll be announcing the results of that in next week's video. So this is the bag. And also, just to make sure it's fair for subscribers, you'll only be able to comment and to enter the competition if you're subscribed. So there's a choice you can have when you publish a video whether comments are subscribers only or anybody. So just for this one, I'll be doing subscribers only. So if you're not and you'd like to enter the competition, it's a good reason to subscribe. So good luck with the giveaway, and I hope to see you here next week. And as always, à bientôt mes amis, au revoir et bonsoir.